What's up guys, so this is Geoffrey once again. Welcome to my channel, and today we're back for another unboxing edition and quick review for this new model Vivo V17 Pro. This is actually the successor for the Vivo V15 Pro. So if you want to know more about this phone, please stay tuned because I will do the unboxing right after this. Alright guys, so bubuksan na po natin ang V17 Pro box. So ang box po niya is meron siyang mini box sa loob with 18 watts 3-pin plug. Meron siyang headset, may free na back casing cover, USB Type-C, meron siyang manual, and yung telepono. Now yung phone actually ang meron ako ngayon is yung crystal white na tinatawag, or yung iba tinatawag nila crystal sky. Now yung kanyang quad camera is consists of 48 megapixel for wide angle, 8 megapixel for ultra wide, 13 megapixel for telephoto, and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. Video you can do at 2160p or 1080p at 30 frames per second. Guys, at the lower part you can see the SIM card tray, the microphone, Type-C USB port, and the speaker. Let's take a look sa kanyang SIM card tray. Guys, take note this is a dual SIM card tray without memory card slot. So at the side, makikita nyo yung kanyang power button with the volume adjustment. At the other side, at the upper part, yung kanyang 3.5mm jack and yung kanyang secondary microphone and the pop-up camera. Now at the right side guys, this is the smart button, or they call it the Google Assistant button. Is the screen size, it's 6.44 inches guys with Super AMOLED display, resolution at 1080 by 2400 pixels at 409 ppi density. By the way guys, this phone is using Fantas OS 9.1 based on Android 9.0, powered by Snapdragon 675 chipset at octa-core 2.0 GHz CPU. Kung mahilig din po kayong mag-game, actually yung Vivo V17 Pro, meron din po siyang ultra gaming mode. So pwede mo siyang iset into a gaming mode para po ma-enjoy nyo ang inyong paboritong game using Vivo V17 Pro. So let us try on how this phone made for gaming. Okay guys, you will try the fingerprint touchscreen display. Guys, so that is the on-screen fingerprint scanner. Now, i-try naman po natin yung kanyang dual front camera. It's a pop-up camera on 32 megapixel for wide angle and 8 megapixel for ultra wide angle. So for video you can do at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Okay guys, ito na po yung itsura niya pag gagamitan mo na siya yung kanyang free back casing. Yo! So that's it for today guys. So what can you say about this phone? Just comment down below. So if you love this video of mine, if you love this video guys, please don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get updated in my next future videos. So I will do my best to do unboxing every week, once a week. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.